Mara, you got a cup forming and trying to break pre-market setup. Notice, look at that. 4 cents. Mara broke it by 4 cents and pulled right back down out of our pre-market setup we discussed this morning. You see it? 4 cents. Here we go. See if Mara can break 884 and hold. If it cannot, it can only go down, right? Which was right here. You wrote it up and you wrote it down. Yes? This move. Up, broke, down, right? Right there's your stop on the short. Everybody see it? Okay, good. Same drill here. If this breaks here, there's your long, there's your stop. If it cannot break 884, where's it going? Yes?
Going down.
That's right.
And there it goes down.
Yep. It hasn't yet. Don't, not
Not
yet.
getting on wood yet.
Yeah, not yet. Yep.
Almost the same thing on Riot.
Yep. Look at Tesla, super heavy.
Making another try.
Tesla, yeah, and it shouldn't be. It should not be trying again this early, should it? No. It should have been come down, bounce up, come down, bounce up. If
So,
this
Coach, from
consolidates-
today's VIP,
Yep.
I wrote that cover call on Tesla, and now it's at 27%. If that thing, continues to pull,
Yep.
yeah,
Yeah,
boy,
you cash it again today, right?
before noon.
Yep.
Coach,
Yes.
on Spry, I got stopped out, but I made 500 on it. It's just going sideways.
That's awesome.
Does it look like, what time should I get back in? It looks like we're starting to go up now.
Let me look.
I've been keeping an eye on it, but it hasn't really been moving.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
Sideways.
Here comes a master class. You ready?
Give it.
Yes.
This is a beautiful channel of trading. Let me show you. Right here. So every time it's touching 810, there's your buy. Every time it touches 845, that's your sell. Do you see it?
That's on SPRY, right?
SPRY. Yep. You guys
Okay.
see it? Master class right here. Ding, 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 ding. See it? There it is. If it breaks 845, that's you to the upside with a stop at 845. But I'm telling you, every time it touches right here, that's around that 810 range. Put it in. Have a couple cent stop loss there. Look at 845 and pulled back. Do you see it?
Yes.
It just did it again. This is a huge, huge 25 to 35 cent range. Talking about as soon as this gets filled up in here, it's got nowhere else to go. It's either going to break this trend line to the upside or it's going to break down here through your support. But do you see how the time is small now? If this breaks the trend line in either direction, through it or down through support, hammer it, right?
Yes, but on the 1 minute, the 200 moving average is they're fixing to meet in a point right there.
Yeah.
Go to your 1 minute and see what that looks like. I mean, I'm just saying, I don't know if that's going to make a difference or not.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, look at this thing though, right? This thing is a time bomb waiting to go. That thing is ready to pop or drop.
Exactly. It's trending down, so.
Exactly. So the way I'd be scalping it is every time it touches this trend line, I buy puts or I short it. And then I have a tight stop loss every single time as soon as it touches this trend line, every single time, right? And then every time it touches 180.72, I'm buying calls or longs because it's touched it twice. You see it here?
Yes.
So, I mean, these are no brainers. These ones are real easy as long as you know what you're looking for. And now you all do right here. If this does not break this trend line, it's going straight back down into this channel. Okay.
So it's
there's
going to
your pop.
establish and stay, right?
There's your pop. Tesla
Yep.
pop trend line. There it is. Hammer it. Now you're going to use this trend line
Yep.
only for this candle to see if this is going to pop back down into here. But I told you this was getting ready to make a decision, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the move. And now look how tight this space is, by the way. This has got nowhere to go now. That has to create a big move. That's a good straddle position too, right? Because it had to go up or it had to go down from this exact range it's sitting in, right? But it bounced. I mean, if you think about it, it bounced off of 180.73 and it has not come back since then. It broke through this trend line and now you're to the upside. That's it. It doesn't get any better than that. Because a lot of times you don't have that much information to clue you in on what it's doing, right? That's like the perfect setup, by the way. There we go. Look at it breaking now. It's going to be a massive move if that breaks down through this trend line again.
It's eighth candle too.
Yeah, this thing's crazy. Crazy right here. See the long wick on the bottom? Still strong on the up to the upside though. See it? But look at this. So now you've got, look at down, down, down. This is a tough spot. It was great when it broke the trend to here. This is tougher.
Hammer.
Yeah, this is still undecided. Straddle. Let it figure out what it wants to do, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can have one up, you can have one down, and then when it makes a decision, cut the other one.